In this video tutorial, I'll show you how easy it is to change your Facebook password. Be sure to the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner to go to Settings. Then tap the gear icon to go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down the page and click on Meta Account Center, where you will find the password and security option. Go to Password and Security, and at the top you will see the option Change Password. Select your Facebook account, and you will first need to enter your current password. You can use autofill for convenience. After entering your current password, enter your new password in the designated field and then re-enter it to confirm. Once you have completed both password fields, click Change Password to continue. You may be prompted to confirm your email. A confirmation code will be sent to your email address. Go to your email, open the email, enter the code and click Continue to confirm your password change. After a few minutes, your password will be updated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button. Thanks for watching.